Welcome to the best pick. The best gluten-free dough is probably one of the most versatile and essential ingredients for anyone looking to enjoy baked goods without the gluten, offering a fantastic alternative for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. And it's amazing how far gluten-free baking has come, with modern formulations providing textures and flavors that rival traditional wheat-based doughs, making it possible to create everything from crusty breads and fluffy pizzas to delicate pastries and chewy cookies, all while adhering to a gluten-free lifestyle. Number 5. Simple Mills Pizza Dough Baking Mix. Craving delicious homemade pizza? With our baking mix, creating a perfect pizza crust is easier than ever. Enjoy a wholesome and satisfying meal. Whip up a delightful pizza base in minutes. It's the perfect foundation for all your favorite toppings. Get ready for a truly tasty experience. We believe in the power of simple, wholesome ingredients. That's why our mix is crafted with care for a better-for-you pizza night. Whether it's a family dinner or a fun get-together, our pizza dough mix is always a crowd pleaser. Make any occasion special. Unleash your inner chef and create your own pizza masterpiece. It's simple, fun, and incredibly rewarding. Enjoy the taste of success. What we like. This mix offers unparalleled ease for busy weeknights. If you're looking for a quick and simple way to make homemade pizza without the fuss, this is your go-to. It's perfect for families or anyone who wants a delicious gluten-free pizza crust in minutes. What people say. The texture is the closest to pizza dough that I have found. This makes a delicious pizza crust that I can make a great pizza without cheese. Easy to mix up. It has the advantage that it does not require refrigeration, although with almond flour, it might go rancid over time. It is dense. Flavor is okay, texture is grainy. It isn't crumbly even though it sort of looks that way, and it held up under my toppings. Beyond that, it is much more filling than my usual crust, which I expect is because of the almond flour it may be too rich. Number 4. David High Protein Bars, Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. Meet your new favorite on-the-go snack. It's packed with 28 grams of protein to help you power through your day. Enjoy the delicious taste of chocolate chip cookie dough without any sugar. It's the perfect guilt-free treat. Stay on track with your low-carb lifestyle. This bar provides a high-protein boost with only 150 calories. We've made sure it's gluten-free, so you can enjoy it no matter your dietary needs. It's a snack that fits your life. Get a pack of 12 bars, perfect for stocking up your pantry or gym bag. Grab one whenever you need a quick and satisfying snack. What we like. Fuel your day with this powerhouse bar, boasting an impressive 28 g of protein and 0 sugar. If you need a satisfying, guilt-free snack to power through workouts or beat the afternoon slump, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for fitness enthusiasts or anyone managing carb intake. What people say. 28 g of protein, only 150 calories, 0 sugar, and low carbs. The texture is smooth and satisfying without being overly dense or chalky. It captures that nostalgic, dense, and sweet profile of actual cookie dough but manages to avoid that chemical-laden, artificial sweetener aftertaste that plagues so many sugar-free competitors. Number 3. Aloha Organic Plant-Based Protein Bar. Satisfy your sweet tooth with the delicious taste of chocolate chip cookie dough. This bar is packed with flavor and goodness. Fuel your body with the best plant-based ingredients. It's a wholesome choice for your active lifestyle. Enjoy the rich, organic flavor of chocolate chip cookie dough in every bite. It's a treat you can feel good about. Get a dozen bars in one convenient pack. Perfect for on-the-go snacking or post-workout recovery. Whether you need a quick breakfast or a healthy dessert, this bar is the perfect solution. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence anytime. What we like. Indulge in a delicious, plant-powered treat that's as good for you as it tastes. If you prioritize organic and vegan options without compromising on flavor, this bar is a fantastic pick. It's perfect for those seeking a clean, ethical snack option. What people say. This gluten-free dough is a game-changer for anyone with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. It has a fantastic texture that closely resembles traditional wheat dough, making it perfect for baking bread, pizza crusts, and pastries. The dough is easy to work with and holds its shape well during baking, resulting in delicious and satisfying gluten-free treats. Number 2. Antimo Caputo gluten-free pizza flour. Craving delicious, authentic Italian pizza? Now you can create it in your own kitchen with ease. This special blend makes pizza night a guaranteed success. Enjoy the taste and texture you love, without the gluten. Our all-natural flour is crafted with care for a pure and wholesome baking experience. This isn't just for pizza. It's a versatile blend perfect for baking crusty breads and delicate pastas. Elevate all your favorite recipes. Achieve that perfect, airy crust and chewy texture every time. It's the secret ingredient that transforms your homemade baked goods. Baking has never been simpler. Just use it as you would traditional flour and prepare to be amazed by the incredible flavor and texture. Crafted with passion by Antimo Caputo, a name trusted for generations. Share the joy of exceptional baking with your loved ones. What we like? Experience the taste of authentic Italian baking with this premium gluten-free flour blend. If you're a serious baker aiming for the perfect pizza, bread, or pasta texture, this is the flour for you. It's designed for those who appreciate the nuances of traditional baking and want exceptional results. What people say. This makes an amazing gluten-free pizza crust. It is nice and chewy and comes close, even on par with regular crust. Best GF bread yet. Looks, tastes, and smells like there's gluten in this bread. It fills your home with such an amazing aroma I haven't experienced since diagnosed with celiac. This flour makes an amazing pizza crust. The dough feels and tastes like real wheat-based bread pizza. Number 1. King Arthur Flour Gluten-Free Pie Crust Mix. Craving a delicious pie without the gluten? Now you can achieve flaky, golden crusts with ease. Our mix makes gluten-free baking simpler than ever. Say goodbye to crumbly, difficult gluten-free dough. This mix is expertly crafted to deliver consistently perfect results for all your favorite pies. Whipping up a homemade pie crust has never been this straightforward. Just add a few simple ingredients and follow the easy instructions for a beautiful result. Enjoy the satisfyingly flaky texture you love in a traditional pie crust. It's the perfect foundation for sweet or savory fillings. Indulge in your favorite pies without compromising your dietary needs. This gluten-free option allows everyone to enjoy a slice of homemade goodness. Brought to you by King Arthur Baking Company, a trusted name in quality baking ingredients. We're dedicated to helping you bake with confidence. What we like? Achieve a perfectly flaky and delicious gluten-free pie crust with minimal effort. If you love homemade pies but struggle with gluten-free dough, this mix is a lifesaver. It's ideal for home bakers who want to impress with beautiful, tasty pies without the gluten. What people say. The dough came together beautifully with minimal effort. It rolled out easily and didn't crack. The final result was a perfectly flaky, tender crust that tasted just like traditional pie crust, rich, buttery, and wonderfully crisp. This pie crust is so easy and super delicious. I use it for quiches, pies, handhelds, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.